In this video, we'll quickly look at clustering. So, clustering is essentially an unsupervised learning technique where you want to find out how data flocks towards a particular center of gravity, right? So, essentially, where people are flocking towards, they're flocking towards station, they're flocking towards maybe a bus terminus, they will be flocking towards an airport. So, essentially, similarly, data points could, move or gravitate towards a central identity, and that's what clustering tries to find out. So, if we look at how we can, we'll just create two normal distributions, one with mean 5 and another with mean 10, and we'll see how we can visualize the clustering aspect of it. So we'll use the k-means clustering, which is an algorithm which tries to uh, find out the Euclidean distance. This is when something is flocking together, when something is assembling together, it's based on certain similarity, right? So the similarity or dissimilarity is quantified using by measuring distance, and in this case we'll be using the Euclidean distance. And k-means is an algorithm that uses Euclidean distance to find out how close points are, or how similar or dissimilar points are with each other, so that they can become part of one or more clusters. And so that's the command called k-means, which is there in R. So I'm just starting with initial 5 number of clusters, and see how data is organized around that. So I'll use the plot and points command. The points command used to highlight the cluster centers,